Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use Warp Stabilizer in Adobe Premiere Pro so you can smooth out shaky footage and make it look professional. Warp Stabilizer analyzes camera movement and automatically stabilizes the clip. First, click the clip to select it. Go to the Effects panel. In the search box, type Warp Stabilizer. Drag Warp Stabilizer onto your selected clip. Premiere Pro will begin analyzing the clip automatically. You will see Analyzing in the program monitor. Wait until the analysis is complete. After analysis, the stabilization will be applied automatically. If needed, go to the Effect Controls panel. Adjust smoothness to control how strong the stabilization is. Higher values create smoother results but may crop the image more. You can also change method if needed, such as position, scale, rotation. Preview your clip to see the result. If the clip looks too zoomed in, reduce smoothness. For best results, avoid applying Warp Stabilizer to heavily cut or trimmed clips. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.